Hello all. So in this video I will be showing how to add a new subtitle block and how to edit the timestamps in a particular video. So you can see we have two subtitles one by one. First starting from 1 seconds to 3.459 seconds, another one starting from 3.459 seconds to 5.2 seconds. So if I add one subtitle block, it's added, but its start time and end time are the same. So that's why it's not visible in the timeline, but it's same. So to add one between these two, we have to just make some space between these two. So let's say we we cut this subtitle block from 1 second to 3 seconds only. So we can see it's added, and now it's from 1 to 3 seconds, and other one is from 3.459 to 5. Okay, so if I add one block, we can see it's added here. Similarly, there's a gap between these two subtitle blocks. So if I click plus, so it will be automatically added. So in this way we can add new subtitle blocks between the already existing boxes. To edit the timestamp, we have added some restrictions. uh, so we have to follow the guidelines to save the restrictions. um, First of all, the restriction is the uh, start time and end time cannot be same. So we have to make sure these two time should not be the same, and start time cannot be greater than end time. Similarly, end time cannot be smaller than start time. To edit any block, we can directly edit from here. So let's say I want to make it from 3 to 04. I can make it, and we can see it's now from 4 seconds to 5 seconds. Similarly, I can move it back to 3, or I can make it more smaller, like 4. So in this way I can edit it. uh, Similarly, I can edit the time from timeline as well. So if I want to increase the end time, I can just uh, click on the rightmost part and drag my mouse to increase or decrease the time, and it's updated. You can see it's updated here as well. Similarly, I can also increase or decrease the start time as well by clicking on the leftmost part and dragging my subtitle block. So let's do it to 7 seconds. So it's updated 7 seconds here and 11 seconds here. Similarly, I can move whole subtitle block as well from left to right, wherever I want to place it. So let's place it from 8 seconds. So it's updated. So similarly, in this way we can um, update our timeline, our subtitle blocks from timeline, and edit the timestamps. Also, two subtitle blocks cannot be overlapped with one another. So let's say we have one subtitle block, this one, and beside this I am having a second subtitle blocks. So as we know, the start time and end time cannot be the same, but also the two subtitle blocks cannot be overlapped with one another. So and it's not possible to do it as well. So let's say I want to move it above this one. So this can't be possible, and it will come again to its original place if we want to do so. You see, it's not possible to drag the subtitle blocks on other subtitle blocks. So we cannot overlap, because the start time of this subtitle box cannot be less than the end time, similarly of the previous one. Similarly, the end time of this one cannot be greater than the start time of the next one. So that's why the overlapping of subtitle box is not possible here while editing the time from timeline and from here as well. So let's say it's 27 seconds and it's 27 seconds. Let's say I want to make it 26. So it's not possible. Even if I am doing it 26, it's not taking 26, because we cannot make it lesser than 26. But I can make it more than 27. So I can make 28, but I cannot make 26.